methods to fix iPad white screen, iOS 12 supported. What's white screen of death? White screen of death, WSOD, is similar with blue screen of death on Windows systems or laptops, which means there is serious hardware or software problem with our system. However, WSOD most often refers to Apple devices like iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. Broken device, a hardware component failing, attempted operating system fail, or iOS upgrade fail can cause the issue. However, the WSOD issue is not the terminator of your iOS device. Well, here are some tips can fix it in many cases. Restart to fix iPad blank white screen. The easiest way to restart iPad is to turn the iPad off and then turn it back on. It is the first thing you should try when having problems of white screen. Because it won't delete or modify your data, things don't always turn out the way we want them to. The standard restart doesn't always work. Hard reset to get out of iPad white screen of death. The slider might not appear on the screen, and the iPad doesn't respond to taps. You can try a hard reset. This technique clears out the app and system memory and restart your iPad. Below are the simple steps. Press and hold home, power, and volume up buttons at the same time until you see the Apple logo showing up. Your iPad will restart automatically and function normally. Enter DFU mode to kick off iPad white screen. If you are troubled by iPad white screen problem after the first two methods, DFU mode might be worth a try on your computer with iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPad to your computer where iTunes is running. Step 2. Press the power button for about 3 seconds to turn off the iPad. Step 3. Press both the power button and the home button together for about 10 seconds. Step 4. Let go of the power button, but keep holding the home button for another 15 seconds. Don't let go when you see the Connect to iTunes screen. Your iPad screen should be black now, which means it is in DFU mode. Fix iPad white screen of death with PhoneLab iOS system recovery. If your iPad is locked up so much that above-mentioned ways are not working for your iPad with white screen, you might need a third-party tool to fix your disable iOS system problems. I strongly recommend a powerful tool called PhoneLab iOS System Recovery to help you fix the white screen of death issue. With the help of the software, you are able to get out of the stuck of white screen easily and without any data loss. Now, let's follow the below steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Free download and install PhoneLab iOS System Recovery to your Windows or Mac OS computer. Step 2. Plug your iPad into a computer. When the installation is complete, choose iOS System Recovery after the software detects your device. Step 3. The software will detect the connected iPad is in abnormal state like stuck at Apple logo, recovery mode, black screen, etc. and you will be asked to click on the Start button to get started. Step 4. You need to confirm the information of your iPad. Click Repair if it is correct, but if not, select the exact information manually before repair. To fix your iOS, the program will download the latest version of your firmware after detecting your current iOS version. If you want to learn more about PhoneLab iOS system recovery, please visit our official site www.phonelab.com. Thank you for watching.